Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the error with Modern Warfare 2 which is stuck on the installing screen. You will screen a screen like this and then it will completely stuck at this point of time. So whenever your screen stuck, simply click on this cancel button to cancel the installing of Modern Warfare 2. Once you have cancelled, in next step all you have to do is to simply click on the settings menu of your Modern Warfare and then choose any of the settings available over here like quick settings, controller, keyboard, graphics, audio, interface or account and network. After choosing the settings, go ahead and exit the setting menu and try to play the game again. This will completely fix out the issue. This is a bug while playing the Modern Warfare 2 which will be fixed soon by the battle.net. If this doesn't fix, all you have to do is to click on the settings menu and then uninstall the program and then reinstall your Modern Warfare to completely fix out the issue until the manufacturer of the game release the newest update to fix this bug. This is all about it friends. This is how you will fix the issue with Modern Warfare 2 stuck on installing. If this video works out for you, click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.